guidance and inspiration. After all, many of you who are seated here have been instrumental in building the city brick by brick. And all of you, especially the next generation, will help us step into the next decade and come closer to our vision of creating the new urban India. Without much ado, I'd like to call upon Mr. Chandru, Chief Operating Officer, Mahindra World City, to deliver the welcome address.
It's been great to see all of you here. Before I get into details, I just want to give you a quick update on what's been happening in Mahindra World City over the last 10 years. We started off in 2003 with the first customer in place, which is Infosys. And after that, there has been an array of activities which has happened. And MWC is today a nerve center of economic activity. You have seen lots of companies. We have about 62 companies right now operating from here, out of which 49 are operational. We had exports of about 6,000 crores last year. We have about 35,000 people working out of this place. And we had investments of about 3,300 crores. So essentially this whole place has become a great location for people to work. Now in the last 3 to 4 years, we have been really trying to work on a position where we will have residential coming up. As of all of you are aware, that Silvan County, which is the first residential community within Mahindra World City, is fully operational with about 200 homes. There are a couple of other projects which has come up now, which is Aqua Lily and Iris Court, which over the next 2 to 3 years, we'll see about 1,500 homes being built and people coming in and occupying the location. So, we are seeing in the last couple of years, the economic activity and the activity, social activity has gathered momentum. I'm happy to see that so many people here gathered here, and I would like to welcome all of you and look forward to the next decade of great economic activity plus social activity happening in this place. And we would like people to come and stay here and enjoy the greenery around this place. And welcome once again to all of you. Thank you very much.
Madam, Chandru sir.
It's a delight to be here today, because where I am today is the place where I was born in the Mahindras. That was about 5 years back, and I have seen the journey which I have personally traversed to create not only a destination but create destinies. Because when you start building a city, you don't only create an address or a destination, you participate in building the destinies of people who work with you, who look at you, who want to stay in what you are building. So I am personally very, very delighted as I hark back in the last decade, which Chandru has so nicely elaborated, in building an economic nerve center. We realized life is not only about the hardware, it also has to have the software, which is the common thread of getting people together.
It is rare to be able to build a city from scratch, but the Mahindra Group has had that privilege. A city is far more than just an agglomeration of buildings and people and infrastructure. A well-designed city is almost a living thing, a vibrant space where people can interact and live in ways that enhance them. That is the dream with which Mahindra World City was created. A dream to pioneer a new way of living and working. A dream to create a self-supporting urban ecosystem that points the way to the future of urbanization. It has been a pioneering effort and also a great learning experience. The first decade was spent in creating an economic nerve center by providing world-class infrastructure that attracted top corporates from across the world, that created jobs and fostered intellectual capital for the country. And all
best bowler